A resident of Nongwar Village on the Indo-Bangladesh border, Presmity Wanchand, has filed two first information reports against the traditional authorities of Nongwar Village in East Khasi Hills district for destroying of her ancestral land and also for depriving electricity connection to her house located at Shillong Nongwar, Shillong. After being deprived of her rights, Presmity Wanchand has filed an FIR at Sora police station in East Khasi Hills district on the 27th of November 2020, alleging the headman Gideon Dingdo of violating of human rights by destroying her ancestral land, including agricultural crops, located at Kumsning. The FIR, while urging the officer in charge of the Sora police station to take stern actions against the village authorities for destroying her properties, Wanchand Presmity termed the destructive actions of the village authorities as a clear violation of human rights, particularly to her, who is the lone surviving member of the family. Presmity Wanchand, who is running from pillar to post to garner support in her fight for her rights, has also filed an FIR on the 27th of November 2020 before the Bholaganj Sub-Divisional Officer Community and Rural Development Block in East Khasi Hills District against the headman, Gideon Dingdo, and the secretary, Banjok for denying her the no objection certificate to get electricity connection to her newly constructed house since 2016.
Nang taki skim barok khoi kum kini ki traces pasngi ngam yo ya ki khunro ai belara chnong ki kan ya skim ka yo na ki la phat na kana phat na ki MLA skim ngam ju yo tanga ngam no la ngam nga apply ya talat kim ai residential na ko chnong ba Kimyo ya kajaka baki kuat dan pendu ya takajaka jonga baki kuat dan sim no halade tengah don kihun bikti tengah sena no lagi nang tu teter hado menta ki thombor se kabri jonga ka badon sha kadak seno ban le sha ki beri sha biupon na biupon de kabri jonga balong markhap ka biupon ia nak pedang beri lem ya tu seketin ru tenang tu kila le ia kasurok kila kom surok nak pedang beri nang tu ngale pe de ka beri te ngamban si ba ngan ai no da ka FIR hapo police station Sora nang tu pan ndaki UOC na Sora lawan man inquiry ha kalai po tarik jong banai ba kharwei an hajara ho te hado menta ngampat iyo jing KBA ba claim statement le nga